Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Ndi Udele is not broken. Ndi Udele is in high spirits. Ndi Udele is not broken. Half for her markets. The 14 days that has been given to Udele has expired today. The 14 days that has been given to Udele has been expired. Udele is not broken. Udele is in a high spirits. Udele is that. Udele is that. Because where is Udele? Is Udele finally out? Those that are saying Udele is coming out today. Let me repeat it again. If Udele come out today or tomorrow, I will leave Facebook for now. I will just say, you know what? You guys don't win. Ogechi, Mba, clear road for all this I continue on. You feel me? Nde Udele is not broken. Udele is in a high spirit. Today is the day. Udele will come out. Hey, Udele is coming out. Ndiro ha gara Isiagu. Ndiro ya gara Isiagu. She will be a gasiga. Lotani me. Now, how should I sleep without much? When am I gonna repent? When am I going to repent? When am I gonna repent? Get to repent. I'm trying. Eh? Oga putanimo anyo. Oh, so why did they offend this woman? Why did they offend this woman? Why? Why did we look for this woman trouble? I didn't. I was sleeping. Everywhere they call the dark or the game. Now the thing don't disappear. They said, according to what they were saying, they said the thing is gonna be 3 days. Buy water, buy drink, buy a share. As far as I'm going today now, in here push them nozo. Me were 1 million down on a bottom small. The next day man wants more. I don't see the eclipse or the eclipse, whatever you guys call it. So I go the eclipse, and as far as the days are bright now. Udele and their follow Mugos and their follow Mumu half for her markets. Ndi ya gala Isiagu is awesome. I watch it in Austin. Ah, okay. That's beautiful. I guess that I'm the video. Ndi ha gara Isiagu. Ndi ya gara Isiagu. See when Lozio be a god. I should not gather Rani. Ebukobi gather Rani. Ebukobi will live and live and live until 150 years. Yes. Ebukobi gana like this. Na kana around your spiritual walk. Daddy G O Hana Rana cha. Udele. As someone even come in bus bet with me that he is coming out to the car. Okpu. See, when I talk to you, go and write it off. Go and jot it down. The date, the time. Ndilo ya gala Isiagu. Ndilo ya gala Isiagu. Anisheni gangwi. I got his show Bukobi. We carry a Bukobi for our shoulder, for our head, for my matter, for Bukobi Matana, my matter. You know the film. Some will go claim to be Zion and then all this social media. There was a day, I think they were running the program. And I wasn't even aware. You know, I don't really visit a lot of pages. I don't give a shit because my own, you will always come to here. Now you go your page, you go they cry. I don't get time. There's some things I have removed from my life. And when I nosy, I know him na high grade. That's it. And was it no? You want to go? So when time you better be too much, okay? All these nobodies. No, get your time. And when I no. And I'm never going to go so like this. I'm going to put some more here, dragging Ishi. I'm going to put my bobo. Man, you're she are pogging Ishi. See, if you, I cannot just come back and check whether my show burugi, whether my son puboroganya. It's none of my business. You feel me? There was a day, and then when I'm everywhere, they will call me, they will leave message on WhatsApp. Even at least they pass only 10% of the information. There are many people. They're also littering information on WhatsApp. What to go? So they are not supporting Udele because they love Udele. They're supporting because they hate Obi. As far as all Wuhioka, nobody should do Omenala, all this amusus. That they are not supporting Udele because they love Udele. They're supporting Udele because Udele is against Obi. You know, they understand the drill. Oh, and I'm because the Haman are a powerhouse. Haman had them to go too rugged. You know, it takes heaven and earth to move me. They know very well. So when they come, this is what they will do. This is what they will do. And you're not supposed to go with your full chest. We know you have been paid. I'm an in on a payroll. One commentary. I know Ebukobi has been sleeping with you. It's no longer I am paid. It's not that Ebukobi is sleeping with you. Okay, whichever one is okay. Because I'm not on their side. I am not on their side. I'm not that movie. I'm not on their side. If you tell me, you're gonna know on the comment section, okay, we love you. Okay, how we love you. But now, okay, we hate you. Everybody hates you. Okay, nobody takes you serious. Okay, yes. Cry me a river under your comment section. Bela mutata or utapam choreho. You know, when a woman is in labor, she talks a lot of things. Open. You really remember, you can relate to what I'm saying. I am the image 3 days. You can relate to the language in like and when we keep the whole world on because I'm in pain. So the pain I can relate to it. Oh now full. So on a boy like this, you ya pack a matero ya kamano. Magana young with big yakara or in a year plantain, but money about I go for me. So I can relate to him. What I go? And may relate to pain, agony, frustration. Okay, she can relate to it very, very well. So I can never be in a group of amusus. Lie. I like stand alone. I don't like people are make you know actually in a bar where you go say they are not supporting Udele. They know that Udele has committed a lot of things. They know Udele has done a lot of atrocities. But they hammer again, with a deft ear, close their eye. All these people supporting Udele. Don't you see them in those Nandekano will die for you? Nandekano will die for you. We are with you. Why did they switch all of a sudden? What made them switch all of a sudden? I'm not joking. No, just answer me because of getting Ebukobi. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm a mundo for man. Any day, let's assume the reverse is the case. It happened to Udele. Ebukobi now. Listen, my game, and another person will come out and face Udele. They will join that person and leave Udele. This is how bloody and how mean these people are. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the honest truth about these people. When they got genuine love Udele, they know they don't love him. They know. They're like, yeah, they just want to use him and get their revenge. You feel me? That is all they are looking for. So I'm a Fuma. Bigonu, Ndi Udele is coming out today, the 14 days. How wanted to stretch it that has expired. How far, how market? Udele huneli banya. Udele get shift from there. Let me repeat my works. Agwaram showoro is boy stay away. This case This case is not about to come and write in a Sahara reporter. We don't give a fuck. It's none of our business. Agwaram Gagba, stay clear. In very dark man case. Now some of the lawyers not friends. It will never play. They are both spiritually connection on this thing can never allow Udele to breathe. Udele ke agbola. Na bagi ya believe it. You read that thing oh we should all dance na haga no na ngaya amoko ha. One is that is just imi ogele. And don't know that's make us loud no. Tell I'm trying another thing and can just describe without your lips. You what go? Now patana Udele is not broken. Is Udele broken? Udele is in a high spirit. Very soon, spirit yagadin, poto got messed up. I got the messed up, but that is not Udele get mecha broke. Remain broken. They broken. I'm broke forever. Na koeri. Let's finish with Udele matter. Other people follows. Nobody can happen. I'm not why my video remain the morning no out of excitement. That video deleted. You know, and when any of you will go unpunished, tell my mom I made that call every day. It's not gonna happen. I go to disturb. Only must collect it woto. Others will not gonna from on the aya. Oga cost so much. It will not cost much. She's just room okay. Let me use open you again. Come on, get out. Come on, get out. Go to the platform and cry and clean your tears. Go to that miserable Udele don't come out at the Asuna. What time is it in Nigeria? Get him not on Nigeria. Oh, he's not broken. He's in a high spirit. Remain Guys, if you want to see my comment, the one God. Nobody fit arrest me in this country. Nobody can arrest me. Right down. If you know the fear, I'm gonna go for Udele. Share because suspend and every other thing. Let's target this one. Can you know this dear God? Now get you whip on. Guy where he or she Mama Kowawo will never see this day broad daylight again. Udele that day take that invitation with the day light again. Like Esiziria. Iga no get the day until they pay give. If it's a figure I'm the day, they give you a profile. What is going on, George? What is going on? Get inside. Get inside and remember. Because you're just look at those in the petty bloggers all this in that hustle to eat. Very soon I got conyo to everybody got conyo. Una go learn in the hard way. Nonsense got to stop. And I call you Idele is coming out. 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 Idele is in a high space. Idele is not broken. Udele is not broken. He's in a high spirit. The high spirit, a high spirit, high solution. The Canada, Mary right down. The day all like there in UK police a bit of investigate now. And it mean it. Akwana shall right down now. They don't tell Mary right down. But I be what? Akwana shall walk through a criminal thief. Eh? Akwana shall wire. When the thing go start now, the thing again, Mary is never a victim. Mary was an agent. She collected money more than she collected more. I can't wait. Let me see what I will do over time today. To me, sit down, run all the program. What you need to see for? And then we're going to see. Also, no, what do I get you? One was wanted. I don't know. Okay, each for a woman was wanted. I got Batali Nigeria. Anakosia Coca. Anakosia Coca. What of my boss? Shimogi. It's a rebata today. Came ticket. Come, Kaibayan and that will be shamba. Mba. Or when you dekagojana tomo. I'm not coming to Nigeria to do shake now. What am I coming there to do? And when I mean them calling up Nigeria. Investment, my husband, any daughter, what is going on? My priority is not going to Nigeria at this moment. Don't worry. So okay, let us come and pick you now. But can you only get me pem? Cool down. Now why you can see this? A woman to Udele now we have Suni mono. Na Nigeria when Udele came back. The same thing they said Udele come back. Come back. He shot alage. Come back with Nigeria. We got hustle on. They couldn't do anything. Chideke Jiriani so far had a problem. Now they turn around again, maybe. When I never see it. When I'm going to happen, he just come back to me. He get no Onyamoroge. Ndabata Nigeria get him okay. Well, I couldn't comment. I couldn't feel happy. There is nothing wrong with feeling happy when you're commenting. Powerhouse the cam. Many lifeline. I don't survive. You want to go? Here, Mary Nebe. We don't care about the fake tears. It does not move us. Only move any. I don't know I can make this matter this year full time. I may go be una go live for Kurora by force. It's coming. The brutally message is about to drop here. And why haven't you been crying all this while? As soon as Okuru arrived with the solution, how to solve this problem very amicably. Solve it, solve the problem, solve the solution. A bit of Nyawani sympathetic rubbish tears, crocodile tears, and I will get it. That is not the point of contention. The point of contention in an egg hole. Out of a percentage, okay, how much did you collect? When I'm Nigeria last year, a lot of people didn't notice me. But the next time I will visit Gadi, Barabiamo. You feel me? So that is the thing. Emotional blackmail. Now who is playing the game of blackmailing? Of the emotional crippled? Of the emotional disability? Or you play the game? You know, see, it's not gonna play around this time. The solution is here. It's not what you guys have been crying for. Flow there, Ishi, the main criminal herself. The main perpetuator herself. Because only the weak easy target to Okurora. Okurora is una easy target. Let's break him. Go to platform here. There is a go. That suggestion has been dissolved. Okurora can never, will never use plan. Ndoshi. Mary will put all the percentage she collected. Ndoshi na the matter. Ndoshi. The main punk criminals. They men themselves. The men in those shit themselves. Guys, challenge the man I'm for this program. I can hear my way. I just where is Udele? Can they break here on the game these people are playing? It's not gonna work. It is not going to work. Okay, the game will be see. Mary get whoop take good in no collector. Okay, how much collector per each person of water? Out of that 20-something thousand pounds, a go lewe go Mary. A go le for each person in MSCOS. When I no go play the game, or shall I Mary pay your para? Mary is never the victims. Mary is just crying that say percentage of collector na eri go ya. Oh, no pounds. Ego le that. How much is that thing? That thing or risu acres of lands. That thing is nothing. That thing is nothing. You know they show us 1 naira. Each apo petara ego. Obe lure gia dum. You want to go? That is the thing. The point the percentage you collected. What put there can say case are resolve. The other one say G. And I query. Now judge relevant in the case. And I told you I get this remember. Is not what I get a court to get the again handkerchief finish you start the case and answer the question. She's an agent. Collected people's money, collect a percentage here. Why are you collecting percentage? If you want to help your fellow Igbos that need help, why are you collecting percentage? Equal taxes under those percentage you collected. Did you pay taxes? Onye equal taxes under which government? Collect, guys. Not the start money you're collecting from them. That you gonna collect your own. Why are you screaming? What is the cry behind this? Your scream. What is the secret behind this? You're screaming and crying. She's going to gauge. I like Ishi. Una like Ishi. When you wound like this, like this. The truth must be told. And I will go with a percentage. He not just like recover. Ego with the COS. Okay, gonna do that's what they call it. That man was spoiling like many questions. You would have asked that flow. That the main criminal herself. That flow. You guys cannot go to her house. Many people should have in England, but you guys cannot come out. Gary Distana City make what they call it Ngariwe. Police are doing what is the problem. So the money who kono putaga gangari when a London with the permits. Otaisha gangari we Udele beyaga biebana. When Udele made banner, you guys were there supporting Udele. Why can't you do the same thing? Na England. Our name protest in England. That useless criminal born. So when you think of faculty to rally around the drop AJJ rally. Oh, only because the victims got balance. So okuro rule a damage reputation got balance na social media. I never see anything. So na gagaling we. Una no fit do ngari we na England. Protest ya. Police abia who je protest. But one local news e buru. But you guys were right put on social media na etiri ani. Mary were go hin na eji ani. That ego na put that the freeze. Now put many people were ya Ghana London gabi don ngari we. People will hear your voice than this thing unu na here. You want to go? I'm not going to them na COS will go the free. Man, I do the percentage he collected. Oh, if I could roll last me no la cut free. I could already get a London, let me know. If I'm free, I will book a ticket and join you. Anything I can London. Can go deep a pilana bunke. You want to go? Agbala Maria, I book a ticket more. I won't know kuro okay book. Let us go. Ana koiri. Ne make carry noise. Junior get destroyed. Ana gagari when in London. You know that. But I don't mean a lot of people should have in England. I will take up the case. I will do this. Common sense to be done. Be a banunu, Udele. Yana Gaga city ga with the permits. All city permits. And I the reason nobody will deprive you guys. All one has civil rights. It's a civil right. Guys, we can now. Where is Udele? Where do you go from here? Udele, where do you go from here? Guys, we gonna come clock on in pain, please. Don't go and eat pepper soup. Onye bu mano. Iri pepper. Mommy, iri pepper soup. Ebu ogi. Ga okuno na Chineke kere ya ndụ na. I'm the most controversial person on this blue app. Gini emezie. Gini emezie. Gini emezie. Gini emezie. And what happened? After being the most controversial person, Gini emezie. Gini emezie. Yotago. Gini we emezie. I'm the most controversial. Guinea is always a blessing. See you. Guys, come clock on in animal. Guinea, monsieur. Guinea, monsieur, come now, June. Okay, she's the most controversial. Guinea, monsieur. What's it gonna happen? I'm not query. Not query. Not query. Guinea, where, monsieur? let me park here. There is no parking in front. Here is not bad. Hurry up and come out, so you will not be broken. Hurry up and come out, so you will not be broken. I don't want you to be broken. He's in a high spirit. Ndala. So for now, you do the go there, come out. Oh, you chineke God. Person never see trouble. They say, you know trouble. Gamata no one with it, part 2. Next time, Udele lotto was Udele lotto was Arumaka. I gotta survive here. I don't hear you now. Come on, bele. Oh, geneti. Bele. People are saying, hey, amaka, and I'm the coming in a problem. Hey, people, they're not coming. Don't worry. I am not other people that will join the line or because of Hannah and the canning with a problem. I got about people who get those ones. Makana, any problem you can the can and not coily. So nobody will come after because of it. And not coily now more 100 million soon. I got more that will enter the same thing about to enter. Come on, when a problem with him and the can of him.